Good job.
Do it again. Jolene, how does a sheep go? How's a cow go? How's a cow go? Let me see.
What does the cow say? What does the sheep say?